What's up everybody? I've got another daily vlog coming at you guys. I think this is 3 days in a row, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. But my buddy Tommy is just about to roll up with his brand new dream car. He literally just bought his dream car. It's a Mitsubishi Evo, a 2014 freaking gorgeous white Evo. It's so sick, and he's about to roll up, and then we're going to go wash it and I guess get like an edit for it or something and just show like the montage of it. It's such a beautiful car though. We also are going to meet up with my buddy Jack later and get his white Evo, which is a 2013, also his dream car. So we're gonna get some good shots of that. And then my new buddy that I just barely met through Tommy has an Audi S5, I believe, and it's tuned, bagged, and slammed. We got a few shots of it before, and we're gonna try to get some shots at the car wash and then hopefully edit that into the montage. But I hope you guys like today's video. Be sure to stick around for tomorrow because we have another vlog coming of some engine building and some future plans. So be sure to stick around for tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys there. You can park in here. All right guys, I'm here with my buddy Tommy right there. We're just getting a video for his Evo 10, but we wanted to get like his future plans because the car is 100% stock. But yeah, you want to tell him, Tommy?
That's right. It's my Evo 10. It's my dream car. I've wanted this thing since I was like 15. We got Jack here.
We got Jack with his other Evo X. 2 Evo X's, pretty sick.
Double trouble.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this winter I'm kind of just gonna do some cosmetic stuff. Probably do like some wheels, coils. For sure. Tint it. It's got like a weird carbon fiber piece on the wing I want to get rid of.
Definitely.
I'm gonna tint it and maybe just do like an exhaust and an intake. Just kinda keep it simple for a little while.
Just start with like bolt-ons. Yeah. Just kind of work your way up.
Simple stuff, because I mean it has low miles, 100% stock. I just want to savor it while I can.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Just kind of take it easy and then
just enjoy every bit of it.
Long term, I'm sure I'll be doing big turbo in the future.
Going for big power. Probably both cars, right, Jack? Yours will be big turbo one day. Yes. and we have them 100% stock, so like we'll be able to document the whole mods, or the whole like build, I guess. Do either of you guys have like one favorite thing about the Evos and one least favorite thing? Why are they amazing and why do they suck?
Honestly,
my answer answers both questions. Turning and turning.
Okay.
You can turn real sharp when you're going fast, and then you say you have to do a U-turn from a stop.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't do it.
I had two Evo 8s and they had the worst turning radius. I had a Forester XT and that thing could turn around so nice.
Dude, that Forester was sick though. That XT, yeah. I honestly, I don't know like if like I was a big fan of them at first, but like as Jack got more into cars, like dude, XTs are dope. They're actually way sick.
Yeah, for sure.
But
I think my favorite thing about this car, probably just the look. They just look so mean.
Yeah, they do.
It's so clean. And it rides so good. I mean,
for sure.
It's like it's on rails. It's so smooth. And then probably the only thing I don't like about it, some of the interior parts rattle a little bit when you're, like, listening to bassy music.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, going over train tracks, it just sounds like it's gonna fall apart.
Definitely.
But,
dude,
yeah. Other than that, like it's solid. I love it so far.
Dream car,
it spools
dude.
up a lot faster because it has a twin scroll turbo.
Oh, okay.
Evo 8 spooled up at felt like 4,000 RPMs and a little after, but this is like 3,000 or a little before.
Jeez.
So when you shift, there's like no lag at all.
Yeah, definitely.
Usable power.
And with a tune, it would be even better, huh? A tune, it would be like crazy.
Yeah, burning fuel all day.
What are the specs for these, like stock? Like how much power are they supposed to make?
I think to the crank it's like 302 or something like that, but I think to the wheels it's like 270, 280.
Okay.
A stock Evo will make like 250 and 260.
Yeah,
stock
they're weak. Plus they're heavy. They're like 3,500 pounds, but the thing that's nice though is they spool up so fast. Like it's kind of
like definitely. It makes up for it how it's built and everything. But yeah. If you guys like today's video of Tommy's Evo, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.